A welcome return for Tim Gajser as the reigning world champion takes us for the GoPro Track preview this weekend in Loket. Out of the first turn, over the foxhole shot line, some waves, and then we can triple at the end of this straight into turn 2. The racetrack here just under 1,600 meters long, just under 1 mile long. We head uphill, up towards turn 3, series of waves, underneath the FC Moto banner, and then down through this long, sweeping, high-speed turn 4 on the run to the Monster Energy finish line jump, just here. We come into land, we're hard on the brakes. Turn 5, options through that turn before we head underneath the Ram banner and charge downhill for the first time on this side of the racetrack. This next left-hander, a choice of lines start to appear as well. You can go outside and stay smooth or step up onto the plateau, past pit lane. Expect to see a series of braking bumps there, and then just as we drop downhill here, we hit this one single, bounce and double our way in to this bottom right-hand turn. 2 lines there, come out of there. Again, we have a choice, left or right side. Either way, we're stepping up onto this plateau, swinging high and wide. Look how the circuit is already breaking down. These images done after the MXGP pre-practice session in the morning. Charging downhill, lowest end of the circuit, beneath the Monster Energy banner there, the tabletop taking us right to the bottom end. Heading uphill underneath the City banner, step up. 180 right, dropping downhill, 180 left, outside here or a very tight inside line. 90 meters from bottom to top as we crest the summit over Monster Energy Mountain. On the gas briefly before hitting the braking zone, hard on the brakes for a tight left-hand turn. Over the Liqui Moly double if you're on the inside, or sweep around the outside to maybe set yourself up for a pass in this next right-hander. Uphill 180, dropping downhill through this left, and then we hit this next climb, landing back onto the start straight. This is turn 1 to start another lap here in Loket.